Hello everyone, this is Justin with Spartan Sounds. Just want to do a quick update and a little bit of a walk around of the current offering. Current generation of the Spartan box. We are still doing it with the switch panel on the side, master switch panel, USB connections. This one has standard USB and USB-C. There is a voltmeter in the middle, which I'll turn on here in a second. And a cigar plug for those of you who have additional devices. We are using Polk DB marine rated speakers. This is an upgraded box that has some LEDs that we'll show here in a little bit. This particular box is for my guy BJ, who owns Vertical Mobility. On the top you have your onboard volume control. It does connect Bluetooth, so you can control it all from your phone. Turn it on. It does currently have a 18 volt Milwaukee battery, which actually is a 20 volt battery. So you're seeing 19.4 volts. So on connection, this will be with an iPhone, of course. In the connections, the amplifier comes from the factory named BT Woozy. Woozy's the brand name they use. It is Bluetooth. Once you connect it to your phone, you can change the name. So we are going to connect to it. And then you can go to the information and you can actually change the name if you choose to do so. So we'll play a little music on it.
Just need some time to bring an empty out of my fucking mind. Tired of the fights I'm sick. Why can't you see that it's not mine? But I
So that's playing a little bit of music. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. And we'll open it up and show the inside. Like I said, it is powered off of a Milwaukee red lithium 18 volt battery. DeWalt possibilities for 20 volt. Could do the 12 volt Milwaukee and DeWalt offerings. The LEDs. The owner of this box wanted patriotic, so we went with red, white, and blue front and back. Again, the LEDs are an upgrade. Does come standard with the Polk DB marine rated speakers. The box the way you see it. The external volume control, it is Bluetooth. But again, the LEDs are an upgrade. There'll probably be some future upgrades also that I've got in the works, but we can touch more on that another time. Thank you very much.